Is it really possible to rebuild your muscles twice as fast just by sleeping? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science says yes. When your body enters deep repair mode during sleep, a hidden hormone activates, one that repairs muscle fibers and helps you wake up stronger the next morning. But here's the catch. For almost 80% of people, this natural muscle repair system doesn't work properly. Why? Because of one simple mistake before bed that silently blocks muscle growth all night long. In today's video, we'll reveal what that mistake is and the one natural nighttime habit that can help your body rebuild muscles while you sleep. Before we dive in, if you love science-backed natural hacks that deliver real results without side effects, make sure to subscribe to Clinical Discovery so you never miss the hidden wellness breakthroughs we uncover first. We all know exercise helps build muscle. But what if your real muscle growth doesn't happen at the gym? It happens while you sleep. Every night, your body passes through 3 sleep stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. But here's something most people don't realize. Muscle rebuilding only happens in one stage: deep sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases a powerful hormone called growth hormone, what doctors often call the body's natural repair signal. This hormone repairs tiny muscle tears, triggers protein synthesis, and even burns stored fat to fuel recovery. In simple words, no deep sleep equals no real muscle rebuilding. We think of sleep as relaxation, but inside your body, it's a full-on chemical battlefield. If your lifestyle is off balance, late-night screen use, caffeine before bed, or sleeping on an empty stomach, your growth hormone never gets released. So even if you hit the gym daily and drink all the protein shakes you want, your results will still be zero. That brings us to the big question. Is there any natural formula that can switch this system on? While you sleep, science says absolutely yes. It all comes down to 3 natural elements. Number 1, magnesium, the sleep mineral. This essential mineral controls over 300 functions in your body. When magnesium levels are balanced at night, cortisol, the stress hormone, drops and growth hormone release almost doubles. Pro tip: 30 minutes before bed, drink a glass of lukewarm milk with a pinch of magnesium powder. It relaxes your body and triggers deep, restorative sleep. Number 2, tryptophan, the amino acid that triggers the sleep hormone. Tryptophan helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, the key hormones that regulate mood and sleep. Melatonin tells your brain, hey, it's time to rest. The smoother your sleep cycle, the faster your muscles recover. You'll find tryptophan naturally in bananas, oats, nuts, and warm milk. Try a banana smoothie or a warm glass of milk before bed. Your body will shift into a natural muscle-building anabolic state while you sleep. Number 3, protein fuel, the ultimate building block. Without raw materials, even growth hormone can't rebuild your muscles. That's why a light protein source before bed is essential, like Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, or whey, protein milk. Research shows bedtime protein can boost muscle synthesis by up to 22%. About 45 minutes before sleep, have this simple combo meal. 1 glass warm milk, rich in magnesium plus tryptophan, 1 small banana, and 1 scoop protein powder. Optional. This combo relaxes, restores, and rebuilds your body, all while you sleep. No fancy supplements, no chemicals, just nature working for you. Now, the biggest mistake 80% of people make: late-night screen exposure. The blue light from your phone or TV suppresses melatonin, your sleep hormone. When melatonin drops, your body thinks it's still daytime and refuses to release growth hormone. So even if you sleep, your deep repair mode never activates. The fix: turn off screens 1 hour before bed or use a blue light filter. Doing just this can boost your growth hormone levels by 25 to 30%. And don't forget hydration. Dehydration slows down cellular repair. Drink enough water throughout the day, but avoid overhydrating right before bed. Before sleeping, take 2 minutes for deep breathing or meditation. It lowers cortisol and puts your nervous system into recovery mode. That's when both growth hormone and melatonin flow naturally. So if you want your body to stay strong and active even without hitting the gym, remember, your real workout happens at night. Just follow these 3 steps. Number 1, magnesium plus tryptophan combo for natural relaxation. Number 2, light protein fuel for muscle repair. Number 3, no screens plus deep sleep for growth hormone activation. That's your hidden night formula, the secret that helps your muscles rebuild while you sleep, naturally and safely. If you enjoyed this science-backed hack, like this video and subscribe to Clinical Discovery. In the next episode, we'll reveal how a simple sleep drink can boost your metabolism 3 times and turn your body fat into fuel, all while you sleep.